Hello and welcome back to Vlogmas. Manny's just like hanging around. I think he wants to sit on my knee and he knows I'm going to put my computer on my knee in a second and he's not happy about it. I've just been to B&M. I will hopefully have edited and posted a video about that by now because I got this table and a table over there, which I'm not 100% sure what's going on with yet, but you may remember I had my blue drawers here. They're currently out in the hallway, waiting for me to find the motivation to take the drawers out, take them all upstairs one by one. Upstairs is becoming a dumping ground. I'm going to have a proper clean of this room today, and I think that's kind of going to be it in terms of changes. I've got what's the word? Chair is the word I'm looking for. A chair coming. My chair that came the other day was not the right chair, so I decided to order a different chair, which is very similar to the one, I think it's from Anthropology, that I've loved, but it's like £500. No. And I've ordered some like brass effect spray paint that I'm going to spray the legs with, because that was the thing that really appealed to me about the first chair. So that's what's going on. I also have some blinds coming, but that's going to be like November because they have to be made to fit the window, which is why for 4 years we've had these whatevers, these like, I actually took one layer of these down the other day. We've had a tension rod with 2 different panels just for like literally for 4 years, because I just kept thinking I don't want to do anything until I know for sure what I want to do. 4 years, like 4 years went past. And we said we're finally actually going to get the blinds. So the blinds will be here in November. Long story short, Manny's just staring at me like, what? And I'm going to edit that B&M video right now. Crazy Sunday. I'm also watching something called Snowed In Christmas with Bethany Joy Lenz, who's Hayley from One Tree Hill. So good times. That's right. Coming at you with my all together. I heard the door go and I thought I've got to come downstairs and see if they're the handles for the kitchen. Got out of the bath for this. So these are the handles on our kitchen. We did not choose them. I have never really liked them, but I kind of assumed that they were, because they're so thick, they weren't that simple to change. But I took one off the other day and measured it, and then I've ordered these from eBay, and look at the difference. That is insane. I absolutely love that. I made a slight mistake. I thought I counted correctly. Would appear I miscounted the handles. So we're missing one, but I think it has made a massive difference. I'm going to show you. Cupboards need to be cleaned, but that's, you know, that's a job for another day. I think they look great. Super modern. And that is the difference. Like, although this is modern, I think this is almost already dated modern, whereas this is like classic modern. I don't know. You might disagree, but I think they're really great. And I got them from Amazon. I think I spent £35 for 15 handles, which I don't think is bad. I'm very impressed that we managed to do the dishwasher and the fridge. The dishwasher, this was the hardest one. Milo is playing, thanks. Milo is playing, this is not straight vodka, I think it should just be mentioned. This is a glass of water. Milo is playing Pokemon on the big screen. Nothing obnoxious about this at all. And Lee and I are very concerned that we've only got a few episodes of Below Deck left, with Kate as Chief Stew.
We can watch
Med. I don't know if I can get into Med. I don't think.
We're gonna have to go back to like $1 Million.
Not with that, yes. Because not without Captain Lee stood of the sea.
I won.
No.
I won the match with Lucario.
You've lost me at Vanderpump Rules. I also want to show you this that I made. It's not great close up, not that you'll be able to see. Also, I need to look at this. I need to paint all of the walls. This is on my list to do. It's on my list before we decorate for Christmas. I've got to take out all the things I'm not using, like patch up the holes, paint the walls, everything. So I made this on my Cricut machine, but I used, where it is, iron on vinyl on card. And it doesn't look great, truth be told. It's very ripply, but you're never gonna get that close up to it. Plus it's like not in the direct sunlight. I don't know if you can tell, kind of, it's not great. But I think it looks quite cute, I quite like it. And Milo, And it's the three colours that's going to be like the three colours of the living room. The navy, the pink, and the brass or the gold. Ella has just taken a picture of Milo. He looks so much like Kevin McAllister. I mean, we've always said this, but especially in these pajamas with his slicked back hair, he's got full-on Home Alone vibes. Prince, maybe she can order you a couple of prints for your room. Why is it not taken? It's not taken.
I don't
There's a little red dot on the screen. When it's 9:30, and I just remembered I was supposed to move all of this stuff upstairs. Not ideal. Especially because I don't have to take the drawers out, because then I've got to like unscrew it all. So I've got to take everything out of the drawers and then hopefully transport this upstairs. This is the situation now. It's living here for a minute. This is tomorrow's problem. I've also put a giant mirror at the bottom of the bed. The giant mirror from the living room, where I can now see stuff that's fallen under my bed. Should we just see what this is? This is the Blotter Artsy by Beauty Blender. Let's see if it's actually got anything in it. Beauty Blender brought out some really strange things. It has. This effectively is a facial blotter. Now this is a clever idea. This is like, actually probably gonna put this in my bag. This is, instead of using blotting sheets or powder, is you would just use like a sponge and then wash the sponge and put it back in here. Now, who's going to remember to wash the sponge and put it back in here? Maybe more so now that we are having to remember to regularly wash masks. Maybe, so I'm going to put it in my bag. They also brought out this weird thing that was like a line guide for eyeliner. It was like a little pink triangle. I remember, you see the other junk over there, it's just betraying me, these mirrors. I remember talking about it at the time and being like, I don't understand. It was like a little, like a plectrum. Is that the right word for what guitar players use? Plectrum, is that right? And you would put it, you would hold it there, and then you would, it was just craziness. Anyway, I'm tired now. We've done a lot of like DIY around the house stuff today. Tomorrow, I've got some work at a local shopping centre. So Mum is watching Milo while I go out and do that after taking Ella to school. It's going to be an early morning. So I decided, if this vlog goes up a little bit late, apologies, I decided I'm going to have a slightly earlier night. Excuse me. I'm suddenly so gassy. Because it's going to be a long day. It's been a long day today. It's been a long freaking week, guys. And I'm not going to edit the vlog tonight. I'm going to do it in the morning. I think get up early in the morning, have a coffee, look over the brief, make some notes. I'm going to be a lot more not productive. What is the word for when you are productive in a quick amount of time? Efficient tomorrow. That is my plan. So the last time I did this, I just feel like I wasted a lot of time. This time, everyone is more prepared, so getting it done. And that's the plan. Hope you liked the little mini kitchen makeover. Over the coming months, I'm going to share loads of stuff like that with you. My plan is to paint the kitchen blue, like a deep blue. So we're going to have kind of a navy blue theme throughout the house in certain areas. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited about those things because I haven't really decorated or done anything in this house because we always knew we were going to move eventually, and I thought, well, let's just keep everything white. It's easier. Not everybody likes your decor when you come to move. So the whole thing was like trying to keep the house saleable while living in it effectively. And it never really felt like my camera stopped recording because it ran out of space. I don't know where it stopped, but I'm going to say good night and I'll see you guys tomorrow.